Welcome back to Bioinformatics with BP channel. My name is Dr. Babajan Baganapalli. I'm an associate professor in Bioinformatics. So first of all, I wish you a very happy new year for everyone. May this year bring you lots of joys, love, peace and happiness for all of you. So last month, unfortunately, I'm not able to post a video in our Bioinformatics with BB channel, but from this year we are going to make a new resolution that every month we are going to post at least one video in bioinformatics, various tools in the bioinformatics, where we can use these tools to analyze the various kinds of biological data. Okay, so today's topic we are going to cover on one more session on the R program. So this is our third session, which is we are going to cover on a little bit advanced plotting version, ggPLOT. ggPLOT 2 is a data visualization package. So this plotting package that makes it very simple to create a complex plots from the data in the data frames. Okay, and also it provides a more programmatical interface for specifying the what exactly variable to plot, how to display that one, and it will give a general visualization properties for you. So we are going to work on what exactly we are going to work with. If we have a single variable or single data points, how we can generate a, graphs, and also if you have two variables, and if you have multiple variables, and also we are going to work on the creation of a maps by using the world maps by using the ggplot tool. Okay, so let's start. So before the start, first of all, you have to check whether the your ggplot has been properly installed in your libraries or not. Okay, so library ggplot2. Okay, if you find this message, mean the program has been successfully or properly installed. If it is not, you have to install the package again. Packages, install packages. Okay, so here ggplot 2. Okay, if you hit enter this one, you're going to install the complete package of updated version of ggplot 2. Okay, so as I told you, we are going to work on three different variables. So first we are going to have a single variable. Single variable. So for a single variable, so here we are going to create a we are going to create a first of all we are going to create area plot. Okay, so we are going to create a first of all area plot we are going to create. So as it was for any data we have to load this we have to load our data package. Okay, so I'm going to load the data. So if you remember this command, so here I'm going to take as a single sv single variable. So we're going to run a single variable here. So read dot csv file. I have data in csv file. Choose dot file, hit enter. Okay, so I'm going to desktop here, ggplot. Okay, here my information is here. Okay, so this is actually the exome sequencing data. So where here it is a depth, what is the depth of the sequencing and what is the quality of the sequencing. Okay, these two x and y axis are there, so two data points are there in my file. So I loaded this one. Okay, so here now it's time to create a area plot. Okay, so we label this one as a area plot, ggplot, ggplot. Okay, so here the file name we have to include sv, and okay, so here we are going to add the mapping. So we are going to add the mapping here, AES. What exactly the axis you want, which particular data point you want, whether you want the quality one or if you want the depth. Okay, we can select anything. I'm going to select the quality. Okay, QUAL, quality. If you don't remember what exactly the x-axis label or x-axis x-axis one, you can check here. If you click SV, if you click on dollar sign here, it will show you the data points for you in the table. Okay, so QUAL. Okay, so here hit enter. So now it is saved in A. So here a plus. Now what exactly, which plot exactly you want? Now I want a area plot. Okay, so what is a fill? You can fill with the various colors. I'm going to select the blue, and so what is the identity here? So I'm going to select this one as a bin. Okay, so here bin. So I'm going to give a smooth classic theme to it. Okay, so if you type here, uh, it will display a message for you. Okay, it will give a plot for you, so where you can see here some of the grids will be there, so you can remove them. So just type the theme underscore classic. Okay, sorry. So here the correspondence, and we will. Okay, so here if we type enter here, now you can see the grids have been removed, and you can save this image. If you want to save this file, you can click here ggSave. Okay, so and you can area.png. Okay, so what is the width you want? Okay, so give the width, and what is the height you want? What is the height you want? You can suggest that one, and you can save this file. It will save your working directory, or you can simply here there is option is available, you can save this image directly from here itself. Okay, so like this we can generate a area plot from this one. You can see here from this area plot, um, the probes, I think more than 647 or 48 probes. uh, the quality of these 48 probes is around 40 to 22 to 40, sorry 40 to something is there. We can change the axis size. Okay, so next one we are going to create a one more plot, that is a density plot in this way by using the same single variable density plot. Okay, so here we label this one as a b, so we save this ggPLOT. Okay, so here uh, sv single variable, so mapping. So here also I'm going to use same quality. Okay, so here c, sorry, b plus geom, and here we are going to use a density map. Okay, so size, what exactly the size you want, the density of the graph I'm going to put as a 1, and theme underscore classic. Okay, so here I'm going to enter here, and now you can see here this has been classic density plot has been created. Okay, so classical density plot has been created by using this option, simple option. So next we're going to create a same one with the dot plot. So I'm going to show you dot plot also. Dot plot is the single variable only. Okay, so here see we're going to load the same one here, ggPLOT sv single variable. Okay, so mapping. So here also we're going to use the only one data frame. Okay, so here d plus, sorry, c plus geom dot plot. Okay, so dot plot, and hit enter. We can change the access points also here, so I will show you in a future graph how we can change the access of the plots. Okay, so we're going to check the few more things like histogram also we can work. I'll show you histogram also. Histogram for the single variable. Okay, so we'll label this as d ggPLOT ggPLOT. Okay, a single variable, a mapping called QVL. Okay, so here e plus geo underscore gram. Okay, so here we will determine what is the width. Okay, so what is the color? Okay, so color we're going to give a black color. Okay, so and what is the fill we needed? A fill for the uh, red we're going to fill. Sorry, here D. Okay, so you can see here clearly we have created the histogram histogram graph. Okay, so if you click on zoom here, it will display you a what is the fill colors. Okay, so the what is the border colors are there and what is the fill color inside is there. Okay, so here you can see a number of counts also displayed, approximately 70 or 75 75 probes, which has been number of eight numbers are there. Okay, so now even you can label this one, or if you want to label this one here, we have to click here with labs. Okay, so we will first to title, what exact title you want. So this title will be exome probe. Okay, exome probe and x-axis label if you want to. Okay, so x is equal to here quality, y is equal to number of probes, number of probes. Okay, so I don't want this grids. Okay, if you don't want this grid, again the same thing, theme classic. Okay, so here I'm going to select the whole thing here and hit enter. Okay, so you can see here the labels has been loaded and the x-axis and y-axis and the grids has been removed. Okay, like this you can create the histogram by using the single variable. So here like this we can create a multiple plots. These are the some basic plots here, the basic dot plots, a density plot and histogram plots by using the single variable. If you have a two variables, so for example here I told you here I have two variable like depth and also the quality. If you have two different type of variables, we can create a various plots. So for example we can create a, now it's the, let's write about two variables. So two variables here. So we're going to first we're going to create a plot called as a jitter plot. Jitter plot. Okay. So here, so E, so ggplot, gplot. Okay. So here, we can use the same one. Okay. So here, AES. And what exactly the x and 2 variables you wanted. Previously we selected only the quality. Here we're going to select 2 dp and quality. Okay, QUF. So hit enter. Okay, now select E plus geom underscore jitter plot. Okay, so what is the color? So what type of colors you want? Color. Okay, so color based upon the quality. So we'll mention the color based upon the quality. Okay, so here sv dot based upon the quality. And what is the size you want? Size we're going to give 4. Okay, so let's see. Now we can see here we created the same way the jitter plot where it will show you various colors for us, various colors based upon here, based upon the quality. So based upon the quality we have changed the colors. Okay, so based upon the quality, for example if the quality of um, the probes are identical, then you can see a similar type of colors for you. Okay, so here the quality in x-axis, sorry, y-axis, and depth is in x-axis. Okay, so like this we can create a jitter plots. This is also highly helpful for us to give a two different type of variable for us. So next one we are going to see about one more plot, that is a point plot. Point plot. Okay, so here we're going to create a point plot. Okay, so point plot here the same one as I told you here very simply. We are going to use the two different of data points f ggplot. Okay, so sp the file name, the file which has been saved, sp, and mapping. Okay, so aes. So the same thing we have to use dp. dp we are going to create dp and quality. Okay, so dp and quality. So hit enter. Hit enter here. Okay, so now g plus f plus geom underscore point. So what is the colors you want? Color is equals to sv based upon the, again we are going to use the quality based upon the quality, and the same thing we are going to use the size, and the size also I want to make as a 3. Okay, so hit enter. It's almost similar to that of ggplot, and here also you're going to get the same thing. So if you want to change the x-axis and y-axis, you can use the same option here. Even in the single variable also you can use a similar kind of action, xlink. Okay, so here what is the data point you want for the x-axis? So I want from 0 to, so 120. So maybe I'm going to go with the 150. Okay, so I'm going to go with the 150. So plus here the volume I'm going to use 0 to 1000. Now we can see here we can here we have created some of the rows has been missed. Why means we use a cutoff value of 150 here and 1000 there. So now the graph has been completely changed. Now the very important plot, most of the peoples and most of the research we are going to use the box plots. Box plot also is a very popular one. We generally use this one for the many purposes. Okay, so here ggplot. Okay, so sp here same thing, aes. Okay, so here, so we are going to use the multiple variables. Okay, so here not only we are going to use the x and y axis, and also we are going to use the one more condition, the zygosity. Okay, so here based on the zygosity, whether it's a het or homo, we can have a different classification for the quality and depth. So here we are going to use x is equal to dp. Okay, so here x is equal to dp, y is equals to quality, and fill is equal to zygosity. Zygosity. Okay, so here zygosity we are going to use. So I plus geom underscore box plot. Okay, hit enter. Sorry, G enter. Okay, now you can see here based on the zygosity based on the zygosity here, the box plot has been completely changed. Okay, so okay, here depth is more, uh, and also depth is more here in heterozygous condition. In homozygous condition, the depth is very low, but also here the quality of the base pair, quality of the probes also is more when we compared with the homozygous variants. Okay, so we can fact trap, we can wrap the fact trap, also we can use the option surfaced zygosity, zygo- okay, so here if you use this one, it will create a two different plots for you, the homo and heterozygous different condition plots it will create. So as I told you here again, if you want to have access to this one, you can use this option. As I told you, the point plots, you can write the xlim and ylim options where it will generate plots for you. Okay, so similarly we can create a violin plot also. Okay, violin plot also. Okay, so here we'll create a violin plot. So similarly you can use the same kind of option. Similarly, you have to use the same kind of option here. ggplot, sv. Okay, so here aes x is equal to dp, y is equals to quality. Okay, and the fill, same thing, is fill is equals to, we're going to do the same thing, fill is equals to zygosity. Okay, so hit enter. Okay, so hit enter here. So next, what is the plot we want? H plus geom violin. Now you can see here, it's not accurate. Why means the values are not significant for us. That's why you're going to get you got this kind of a violent plot. If the values are very highly accurate, and you're going to get a violent plot like this. Okay, you're going to get usually violent plot like if you have a significant data values, you're going to get you're going to get a plot like this. Okay, so this is a violent plot. Even you can use the same thing like fact wrap method to separate the two plots. Okay, even here also we can use the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to use the same one. You can see here we can separate these two plots. Okay, so this is how we can use the single and two variables and multiple variables to do this simple plots. So in future videos I'm going to tell you how we can create a complex plots also by using the different type of data points. So next step, we are going to create a maps we are going to use. So how we can create a world maps by using this ggplot option. Okay, so what are the things it's required is we have to install the maps. Okay, we have to install the library called as a maps. Okay, we can check same thing, install packages maps. Okay, so you have to first install the package maps, and you need to find the library for this one, library maps. Okay, so mostly you will find the inbuilt version of this map. Okay, so here already I think you will find the map data, world underscore map. Okay, so here map underscore data. Okay, so here world. So here first of all we are going to load the map data into the world underscore map option. Okay, so click enter here. So now click ggplot So world map. So mapping, option A, yes. Okay. So x is equals to, so what exactly you want? Long, y is equal to lat, group is equals to plus geom, polygon, fill is equals to. So here we're going to give different colors to it: light gray, gray. So color, hit enter. Now you can see here complete the world map has been loaded, and the colors what we have given is the border colors we have given the white, and the inside the content inside the world the map we have given the color of light gray. Okay, so this is a total world map. If you want to highlight a specific countries, for example, if I want to highlight uh, some countries with the different colors or different gradients, we can do that one also. Okay, so I want to highlight that some of the countries. So let me highlight some of the countries. Highlight. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to Bioinformatics BB channel, and please like and share. And your constant support always encourage me to do more videos on the bioinformatics. Okay, thank you so much.